Content creation is a very unique business in that everybody finds success, or doesn't, in their own unique way. Most people, however, find success through a single video. One video they get right. They get the timing and the topic and the editing and the presentation all just perfect. And that one video finds success in the algorithm, and then all of their other videos start getting shown to people. Now, this isn't 100% and it doesn't happen for everybody. You're always just one video away from that successful video. You have the potential to succeed, but you need to continue making videos and improving your craft. Because if you're not doing that, you're never going to succeed. I want to share with you 5 things that you need to keep an eye on. First up, we have editing, the cuts you make when editing. You should keep your video on topic and moving at a pace that is engaging. Sometimes that can be a slow pace. It doesn't always have to be quick, rapid fire. Make sure that you're cutting out the dead spaces, the pauses. If there's a pause and it doesn't have a dramatic or an engaging reason to be there, then cut it out. Cuts can be used even in the middle of a sentence. You just have to learn how to, 1, speak so that everything you say can be easily cut, and 2, you have to learn where to cut. The second thing you should be watching for, your music and sound effects. You should be paying attention to music and sound effects because audio is what crafts an experience, makes a video or a movie engaging. You should really dedicate a good amount of your time to crafting auditory experience for your viewer, making it so that your viewer hears a sound effect when you mention something or click on something, or just when text pops up on the screen, or music that keeps the viewer engaged and impresses an emotion on them. Audio is always the most important part of video content. Number 3, your footage. If your footage is terrible and you're not a videographer or cinematographer and you can't capture good footage with your camera, you just don't have that skill, then capture as best as you can. And then search the internet, copyright-free content. You can create B-roll from pretty much anything. And most products and brands have content out there for use in advertisements and reviews and things like that. You don't have to be the cinematographer and the videographer for everything in your content. And number 4, your confidence, your voice, your style. So maybe there's something about yourself that you really dislike and it makes you self-conscious and lack confidence. Whether it be hypnosis or just practicing a lot, or taking acting classes, but you need to be honest. Talk to your viewers as yourself, just as you would your close friends and family. And thing number 5 is, how are you marketing yourself? Content creation is about trust and building relationships with people that you've never met. Are you sharing your content in places that are just full of other content creators who they don't want to watch your content, they don't care about your content? If you're joining groups that are related specifically to the topic and the substance of the content you're creating, people want to feel that they're getting value from something. And if you're just self-promoting, then they feel that they can't get any value from it, that it's impossible. So instead, take the time, become a valued member of the community. Just engage in conversation, share your knowledge, learn from other people. If they tell you, hey, this is fantastic, I love this, then reply with, thank you, that means the world to me. Maybe go check their channel and see, maybe they have content that's way better than yours and you can learn from them. Maybe they also make content in the same niche as yours and you guys could collaborate together. Focus on the content and not the view count that you're getting and the engagement you're getting. And I don't think you should want to be idolized by strangers anyway. It's meaningless. If you're not putting out that next video, you're never going to succeed. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. You can watch more of our videos here. We here at Bith.ai have an amazing tool, our video generator tool. We also have our scene generator tool, our image generator tool, our voiceover generator tool. We have a video editor. We have a subtitle generator. There's a lot of stuff that we offer. So go to Bith.ai, check out our tools. If you're an aspiring content creator, there is a use for at least one of our tools in every single one of your content. All of you watching this have something that you do when making content that one of our tools can help make easier. And I will see you in the next video.